All right, same thing, wheelie. High risk, high skill. Make sure you have the skill to manage that risk. Wear gear to mitigate any possible lasting problems with those risks. We're also going to do that here. So high risk, especially now we have a lot of traffic, a lot of issues with people getting in the way and not doing what they're supposed to be doing. So it's fun and games until somebody gets hurt because somebody didn't manage their risk. So look at, now we hit them because they didn't do a good job. So now we got hurt. He's going to get hurt. Hopefully nobody hits us. Bikes are damaged. Okay, you might have all the skill in the world, but maybe your riding buddy doesn't. Grab yourself a rock form case. I have a little pop socket adapter. I absolutely love it. This is a magnet right here. It keeps your phone nice and secure. A lot better than some of the other competitors. Anyways, they sponsor this channel, so make sure you check them out. Links in the description. Automatic discount when you click that link. I'll see you guys around.